When you think of Monet, you think of water lilies, right? But does that make you think of sailboats? I didn't realize that Monet painted sailboats either, but if you stick with me, I'll show you one of his famous sailboat scenes. Hey everyone, it's Sue, and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now, if you're interested in seeing me paint pictures inspired by the masters of art, then you've come to the right place, and I want you to click on the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my Inspired by the Masters series. Claude Monet is most famous for his water lily paintings. However, around 1875, he painted a series of views of sailing boats anchored at a small town on the outskirts of Paris. Here he purchased a boat to be used as a floating studio and painted many scenes of the surrounding area. Paddling and cruising were popular pastimes in France at the time, and Monet was no exception. His series captured the feeling of freedom from day-to-day obligations. He continued to display his mastery of color and light and produced a series of paintings that took the viewer on a journey from the stresses of life. So if you enjoyed this snippet of art history and liked watching me paint Monet's sailboats, then you have to click on this video to watch me recreate a famous Van Gogh painting.